Welcome to the ATC Diversified Electronics Snapshot series. For this edition, we're diving into our Motor Director motor monitoring and protection system. In this video, we're going to take a look at Dashboard 2 in Motor Director. This dashboard provides deeper insight into your motor's power usage, performance, and overall operating condition. Starting at the top, you'll see several key power-related metrics. Real power, shown in kilowatts, represents the actual usable power being drawn by the motor to perform work. Reactive power, measured in kVA, reflects the power required to sustain the motor's electromagnetic field. And power factor ties these together, showing how efficiently electrical power is being used. Together, these values help you understand how efficiently your motor is operating and can highlight opportunities to reduce energy waste and operating costs. Next, you'll find total energy used, displayed in kilowatt hours. This shows the total energy consumed by the motor since installation, helping you track usage and better understand operating costs over time. You'll also see total runtime, which reflects how long the motor has been in operation, as well as total number of starts and total manual starts. These metrics give you valuable insight into how often the motor is running and starting, both of which play a major role in overall wear and maintenance planning. This dashboard also includes several important thermal and protection-related metrics. Thermal capacity shows how much heat the motor has accumulated relative to its safe operating limit, based on an I²T model and shown as a percentage. This helps you understand how close the motor is to overheating. Temperature capacity reflects the ambient temperature conditions the motor can safely withstand, also shown as a percentage. And dynamic class provides an adaptive version of the motor's thermal class, automatically adjusting based on thermal capacity, temperature capacity, and load levels. Together, these values give you a clearer picture of thermal stress on the motor, helping you prevent overheating and extend equipment life. Lastly, you'll see frequency and period, which both relate to the incoming power supply. Frequency, shown in hertz, indicates the stability of the voltage source, while period, measured in microseconds, represents the time of one complete cycle. Monitoring these values helps ensure your motor is operating under stable electrical conditions, which is critical for consistent performance and long-term reliability. For any of these values, you can click directly on the metric to view up to 3 months of historical trending data, giving you deeper insight into patterns, changes, and potential issues over time. This dashboard gives you a complete view of how your motor is performing, so you can improve efficiency, plan maintenance, and prevent costly downtime with confidence. Learn more about Motor Director and other solutions from ATC Diversified Electronics by scanning the QR code or visiting our website at atcdiversified.com. Thanks for watching.